for New Food Friday. Let's open them up.
Probably two because they're so big. Maybe one.
I'm trying to open them.
It looks like one.
It's not one. Here's what they look like.
There's two. Kind of looks like a ham sandwich. No,
Ooh,
not for
look
you.
who wants some too, Dad.
Let's get started. It's the cake batter.
Tastes like a Twinkie.
It's pretty good. Tastes like chocolate.
It doesn't taste like an Oreo at all, but it tastes like frosting, and the squishy part is actually really good.
Hey, there's two in the bag.
Tastes like Twinkies. Twinkies are good.
How was it, Dad?
Kind of does taste like a Twinkie or maybe like a Ho-Ho. Was that the chocolate ones? With frosting?
Yeah, like a ding dong.
Maybe. Yeah, that's what I remember.
That's what it tastes like.
Pretty good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Isn't a ding dong?
But not if you're wanting an Oreo.
Yeah.
It's a double thumbs up.
I give it a thumbs up.
I'll say a double thumbs up.
Okay.
I don't have any more, okay?
The cat wants some.
She's like, please. Please.
Look at her belly, no wonder.